Hello everyone, welcome to Agnesh Rao's briefing of grammar and vocabulary from the Hindu on April 16, 2020. Firstly, let us see what the article is about. Getting the containment strategy in India right. What is containment? I told you many a time, containment is a noun which means to prevent a disease from spreading. To prevent a disease from spreading. You might have seen, there are several containment zones being ordered by different governments. Yeah, containment zone is nothing but a prevention zone. Containment is a noun here. I repeat, containment is a noun because all the words ending in ment are supposed to be nouns. And there are no more words today in the article. So let me, go through some words which are very important for your exams. Number one, here it is morbidity and mortality. Morbidity and mortality. Yep. What is the meaning of morbidity? Yes, let me tell you. Morbidity, I'm sorry, let me erase and then, write it clearly. Yep. Morbidity is a noun. Morbidity is the condition of being diseased. The condition of being diseased. This word is not to be confused with the word mortality. Both of them seem to be identical, but they are not. Yeah, mortality. What is mortality? It is the state of being subject to death. So, morta, the root word here, morta means death, morbid means disease. So, the author is trying to focus the morbidity and mortality that this has caused can only be guessed. Which one? Obviously, COVID 19, that is coronavirus disease 2019. Yeah, next one. India's poor are vulnerable. What is the meaning of the word vulnerable? Vulnerable is nothing but easy to get attacked. The thing which is very much easy to get attacked. Yeah, India's poor are definitely are in a state of vulnerability. Yep, the poor have no option but to live in densely packed slums and tenements. What is the meaning of the word tenements? Tenements, tenements. Tenement is also a noun because the suffix here is ment. Of course, this is a plural noun. Yeah, the root word here is ten. Ten is nothing but to hold. Ment is nothing but to process. Yeah, tenement is a process or situation in which several people stay in rooms within the houses. Stay in rooms within the houses or within the lodgings, and of course they are congested. In Kolkata you can see a lot of tenements. There is a movie, Chiranjeevi's movie by name Chodalani Undi or something like that. In that movie, he visits Kolkata. There we can see a lot of tenements. Tenements, rooms, different rooms or many rooms in a particular locality which is very much congested. Okay, until now, okay, we are done with morbidity. Next one, mortality, and number three, it is tenements. Let us go for the fourth word here. It is exhortation. Exhortation, let me write it here. Exhortation. Exhortation is also a noun because it ends up in tion, exhortation. Now, what is the meaning of the prefix x here? X is nothing but out. What is horta? Horti or horta means encouragement. What is that? Encouragement. Now, what is the meaning of exhortation? Exhortation is nothing but giving somebody encouragement or giving somebody a very strong encouragement. Here we can say that, or we can deliberately conclude that exhortation to help oneself sound cruel when people have to have no means to do so. Yeah, what is meant by exhortation here? Exhortation is nothing but encouraging very strongly. Actually, author is talking about exhortation with regard to what here? With regard to what? Yeah, let us let me summarize the topic now. The lockdown has imposed tremendous economic hardship on the poor. Yeah, definitely yes. Without any important benefit, as they cannot practice social distancing or proper personal hygiene. If the central government is serious about the containment strategy proposed by the Ministry of Health and saving lives irrespective of social class, it must provide economic and social resources on a massive scale. It has revealed no such plan. States and individuals cannot handle this crisis on their own. Exhortations to help oneself or encouragement to help oneself sound cruel when people have no means to do so. Yeah, the author is trying to focus that, there should be an effective response, not only pathogen behavior but also socio-economic and cultural characteristics also matter in containing the so-called coronavirus disease 2019. Yeah, that's why he uses the title "Getting the Containment Strategy in India Right." An effective response must consider not only pathogen behavior but also socio-economic and cultural characteristics. So he mixed up the cultural characteristics and socio-economic parameters. Hence the words morbidity, mortality, vulnerability, and tenements, and the last one here exhortation. It's a mixture or amalgamation of all the words and all the key concepts here. So that's all for the day. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.